Hello, my name is Marty Maidan, and what we do at the globaltrader.club is something unbelievable and amazing, which I'm about to share with you today. We time the markets days to weeks to months actually in advance, which means that we can provide swing days and the swing hours in that swing day with pricing at a highly accurate level, which means that any trader, whatever they're trading, can actually time the market to the hour and to the minute with pricing. This is a really amazing innovation. When the whole world is going into quant trading, we're just going into a whole new dimension by not looking at past data or data that's coming out, but actually predicting the future. Let me show you how. So first of all, let's take a look at what you get at the globaltrader.club. If you enter the members area here, you'll see that I've already posted the whole month of March. So all of the swing days for gold, euro dollar, SP 500, Dow Jones, NASDAQ and Bitcoin are all on there until the end of March. Also until the end of March, all the swing hours for every day, the trading hours we call them, every day are already posted. This is the 3rd to the 7th of March. Now, as you can see, I've posted this on the 22nd of February. So already on the 22nd of February, people had the whole month of March with swing days and, as you can see, with the trade hours for every day. Now, this is last week. So every week and every day of the week, basically, Monday to Thursday usually, I post a video for the day. So then we have a swing day, we have a swing hour, we've got the swing hours for that day, and plus we've got a video. Now, why is the video important? Because on the video you'll get the daily PST prices if you're not using my pricing model indicator. All right, not everybody has to use it, that's fair enough. In the videos I give the prices for the month, the week, the day and intraday as well, so that's not a problem. But what really is the website providing for you is to see what days you're going to have the swing before it happens, like months to days, like the whole month of March in February. Okay, so that's already great. So what do you actually see? When you get these swing days, you'll know all the swing days in advance. So if we take a look at the chart, for example, this is gold, right? And on gold, if I open up the daily, you'll see these yellow arrows. Okay, now all of these are pre-calculated. You see, none of these yellow arrows were posted on the day. These days and the dates are already known in advance. So for the full month of March, for example, last week we already knew them. So for gold, for example, we had Tuesday and Thursday. You see Tuesday and Thursday here, and the market was up, so selling was okay. Now this week, Monday was a swing day for gold. All right, so today is Tuesday. Look what happened on Monday. Market sold a high and bought the low. Did we have a price for that? Yes, we did, because on our weekly PST, the market gave us the price at 65.52, which is a price of 2,884. And on our daily chart, we also had prices here, these blue dotted lines, and 45 came to 2,880. So between 2,880 and 2,884, all we really need to wait for was that price range at the right trading hour. And look when that happened, on Monday. This is yesterday evening, exactly at 11 o'clock. If you take a look at, let's take a look at 10 to the 15th of March, and you will see there the hours as well. All right, so this is yesterday, Monday. Okay, and on Monday we had 11 in the evening. In fact, all of these hours I had 4 o'clock, 5 to 5:15, and if you take a look, those are the vertical lines. Now, if you've seen my videos or posts on social media, you'll know that these vertical lines are the hours where I'm expecting the market to turn around or break out. So when we have a price and time together, that's the time when you want to get into the trade. And because we know the time and the price way ahead, then we've got time to plan and there's no need for stress. Now look at this. At the time the market comes into our price zone, and what happens? The market just takes off, and look where we're at. Today is Tuesday and this is a trade hour. See how the market stalled here, and we've got the next trade hour here. Now the market should have a retracement. Okay, on gold, if you're following my analysis, I'm bullish, like probably a lot of people. But knowing when to get into the market and at what time is crucial, because we're not keeping trades open for days and days and days. We're keeping trades in and out during the day. We're in and out. Or maximum, we're keeping it open a few days within the week. But very, very rarely will we have a position open on the weekend. So knowing the swing day, understanding when it's going to turn is like, at the time, it's like a magic wand. So I've got a price, a time, and a day to trade. Now, if I know these swing days all in advance, all I have to do then is match my swing days to a price. The same thing is true for the euro dollar. Okay, so for example, if you're following our videos and our social media, you would have known that we're expecting the market to turn around here and going all the way up into Thursday. This is last week. So Friday, Monday were swing days. Market going all the way up into Thursday. And this was our target zone. You can see the red line here. That's updated this week as well. So we're in this zone. Now, this is a zone obviously where we don't want to buy. And for the euro dollar, today is a swing day. So we're going to see how today pans out, because we're expecting the market to pull back. Do I have a price? Do I have a time? Yes, I do. Let's go and take a look. Well, look what happened here. This was a trading hour for today, 11:45. Let's take a look at today's post again. All right, here we go. This is 12:30 to 1 o'clock. Let's take a look at 12:30. Now, let's take a look. 12:30 to 1 o'clock. Now the server time is currently the same as mine. So MetaTrader 4 before used to be 1 hour behind me. So if I take a look, that's 12:45. So that's your 12:30. All right. And what's the other hour? 12:30 to 1 o'clock. So within that half an hour, we're really expecting a turn in the market. And that's your 1 o'clock. You see how the market goes up and just turns around. Now immediately we're back to price target levels. So this was a price target this morning. Okay, so knowing these hours beforehand also allows me to get out of a trade if I'm in it. So if I was going long, I'd say to myself, well, wait a minute, we're in a trading hour. The market can turn here, and we've definitely come to price levels where the market can turn. So let me get out of my long trade and think about reversing. In fact, reverse. Okay, and that is what we're expecting. So once the market is in our zone, we don't want to be buyers at the top. We want to buy the low, sell the high. So having a swing day and the market's at the highs, we can sell off. Now the same thing is true for any asset, SP 500. This is SP 500. Now you can see all the swing days I've posted days and days in advance. And also, if you take a look at the swing days for the SP 500 today, let's take a look. All right, you can see that SP 500 doesn't have a swing day today. It's got it Wednesday and Friday. But look, I've got Tuesday possibly for NASDAQ and Dow Jones Tuesday, Wednesday. So this Tuesday, Wednesday is going to be specifically important for us when we're trading the indices. So great. So where can I get into? Well, I can check prices. Now on the weekly, I don't have a price, but on the monthly, as you can see, we've got a big breakout, and the market has done a target right here, as you can see. So we've dipped into this bar. We can get rid of that. As you can see, the blue dotted lines, we've already come to a target. So if the market wants to have a day or two breather from this big fall, tomorrow is Wednesday, today Tuesday, and NASDAQ and Dow Jones Tuesday, Wednesday. So this Tuesday and Wednesday will be an opportunity for the market to go up for a retracement, which means we can go in long, okay, from these levels. The same thing will be for anything. Let's take a look at Bitcoin as well, because that's quite popular lately, and you'll see that the swing days and the swing hours are working for everything. So here's Bitcoin. Now Bitcoin had a swing day Monday. You probably saw that. All right, Bitcoin this week, Monday, Wednesday, Saturday. Now the hours are same for everything, but the swing days will be different. Now look how we got the pricing. This is Monday, and today we're on a Tuesday. So we want to go long Monday, Tuesday. We want to like turn around and look where it is, right on the line of our PST pricing model. Now this is an HCL1 line, so it's giving me a price of 76,551 today, because it's the daily, right? Let's take a look where the market took off. 76,000. Let's see the low of that bar. That's 76,555. Okay, so it's pretty close. Okay, as you can see. Now yesterday this was a price zone. The market on Monday made a low here. Today just touching the PST level and taking off. So Monday, as you can see, the market picking back up again. So that's already good. As you can see, we had a pricing here as well on the PST weekly, HCL1, which is 78,688, which is why this is a price level which we marked in yesterday. Because if you want to sell, you got to have a target, and you got to understand where the weekly is going to go. So once it's down here, and it also matches a daily line here, that's spot on pricing, as you can see. So now anybody who entered the trade, they're going to be entering right at the bottom. Okay. Also, in our techniques, you can time specific assets as well. So for example, if you want to time specifically Bitcoin, you could also do that too, not a problem. I'm generally timing the whole market as one overall cycle calculation. So this whole thing is just working for everything on Monday, and these will be the hours for Tuesday. Even here you can see I've made some comments here as to what the market will and can do for us. So knowing these hours, knowing the day, the swing day in advance, the hours of the day, plus pricing, that's a magic wand for any trader. So understanding the dynamics of the market, as you can see, is much easier. It's more practical when you're given this 24/7 trading period, because you're always lost in when to trade, what to trade, how to trade. You're either missing out positions, or you're not there. But if you know the hours when you need to be there, when you need to check, you can just set an alarm. If the price gets to that PST level, give me a buzz, and then check if that's the right hour. You can maybe even check, set your alarm accordingly. You can say, at this time period, if the price gets to this level, send me an email, send me an alarm. And these things are the next level that we really want to take the globaltrader.club to. So this is actually exactly why I'm trying to grow the community, so we can really grow and have a stress-free trading like career or profession or whatever. And then take it to the next level, use the software, alarm ourselves, and not have to worry about being stuck in front of the screen. This swing day phenomena will work for everything. In our videos on YouTube, in my videos, I was saying the market will come into the 70 zone. We will get into the 77s zone. This is why I've marked these levels in, as you can see. And I was expecting the market to get there. I had swing days. I posted this the other day as well, last week, or maybe 2 weeks ago, because Trump talked about having Bitcoin as a Federal Reserve, and the market, it should have been skyrocketing, but it didn't. And I didn't have that day. I had this day instead. The market made a high and just banged down. I also had this day, market went up and then banged down. And now this week, here are the days. Also, we're going to look out for tomorrow as well, because if it's a swing day tomorrow, market can go up and then can push further down, coming to a lower low, which I am anticipating, because if the monthly PST, is still not done, we'd like to go into that zone, which is 74,500. So we'll see how that goes. But knowing the swing days, knowing the swing hours, having a target, understanding this is where we can get to, allows us to then sell off at those swing days confidently. And that's the whole idea. That's really stress-free trading. And as you can see here, the majority of them are all good. This is from November onwards, but I've got dates going back to 2000 and I think 2022. So from 2022, 2023, I've got like all the dates for this. So now that we're in 2025, as you can see, we're just following through all nice and easy. If it matches your technical analysis, then this is actually a great way to trade, because all I do is just wait for the price to come down to where we want on a swing day, and we're trading a swing hour. If I've missed a swing hour, but if it's a PST price, this is tradable. PST, like I said before, is very accurate, and on a daily, weekly, you don't want to miss it, even if the time is off. So I haven't put any lines on this one today, but it should be like 12:30, somewhere around here, 1:30, 12:30. Let's see, on Tuesday. Today is, okay, so this is 10 to 15. It's Tuesday, as you can see here. So 2:30 is the time. I've got 11:45 to 12, 11:45 to 12 o'clock. So that's your 12 o'clock there. That's the high of London pre-trading session, as you can see. And also the other hours we'll be looking at is 2:30, 5:55 to 6, and so on. All right. And yesterday, this was the trade hour, as you can see. So the market just dips down, touches PST, and just takes off. And it's really these price levels that are very sensitive. With timing, it's just a bingo trade. If it doesn't match time, day, and price, don't trade it. Just let it go, because something's always coming up every day. So hopefully this will be a new kind of innovation for you, because normally everybody is just doing a lot of technical analysis. The way I do technical analysis is very practical. It's in 5 steps. So you just do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The technical analysis is done. Then I do the timing, and then you bring it together. And if they match, you trade. If they don't, you don't. And you know the days and the hours that you're going to work. How great is that? So if it's not a swing day, you say, okay, I'm not looking at the market today. If it is a swing day, yeah, let's take a look at the market. What time? Well, we're going to take a look, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, whenever that swing trading hour is. So having all that information in advance is really an innovation. And I find it the most difficult thing here is showing people, and people still do not want to believe what they see. So that's the biggest problem we're having at the Global Trader Club. It's really hard for people to believe these things, even though I've been showing it for years. Now, until now, I haven't really done anything to grow the channel. I've been working on the methodology for like years, but it's all come together, and now I'm pushing it towards a fintech, fintech kind of a company, so we can actually bring the software to traders worldwide and just trade off this from a software. Then you won't be stuck with the 6 assets that I'm doing. But if you want to trade, let's say, anything you want to trade, DAX, Ethereum, pound, Aussie dollar, whatever you want to trade, you'll be able to actually find and figure out the swing days and the swing hours according to that software without having to do all that work. So that's the next level. Hopefully we'll get there. Hopefully someone will be interested, or hopefully the members will grow, and as the community grows, as the members grow, we'll be able to really invest in that software, making our lives much, much easier. All right, I hope this is being enlightening, and I hope this new innovation, despite the fact that it may sound crazy, if you think about it, it is, because everybody's working on data that already happened to kind of figure out where things are going, but we are actually calculating the future without all the data, without all the mathematical mumbo jumbo and all this high speed internet trying to gather data from all around the planet to make a decision and to line it up. You don't need all of that. This really is like DeepSeek compared to, I don't know, ChatGPT, right? So they've invested billions and billions of dollars on ChatGPT, and here comes DeepSeek, $5 million, $6 million investment, and they've solved the whole thing. And this is exactly what the Global Trader Club has done. It's solved a massive problem for all traders. Knowing the day to trade, the hour to trade, the prices to look for is like a dream come true. So hope that kind of shed light to a little bit of what we do. If you like it, if you're interested, please feel free to join the club, subscribe, follow us through. We're really trying to grow the community so that we can actually, boost this project and like push it forward. Have a great day.